Hello everyone. Here you can see today's payout and live trade with pro members on Zoom, and you can see the date and time clearly displayed on your screen. Today's New York session provided a clean and structured opportunity in the market. We followed our setup with patience and executed according to plan. No random entries, only discipline and structure. Over the past few months, we have maintained strong consistency in our trading performance. This session is another example of how following the system leads to stable results. It's not about one trade, it's about repeating the right process daily. Using my TWR semi-automated system, trades were executed based on predefined rules. The focus is always on removing emotional decisions and sticking to the plan. Entries, exits, and targets were all managed with a structured approach. In this video, you will see market movement, trade entries, and how positions were managed step by step. Everything is shown clearly so you can understand the process behind each decision. Different account types were running at the same time, showing how the same setup performs across each one. This helped build confidence in the strategy and its consistency. Trading is not just about entries, it's about psychology. Fear, FOMO, and greed are the biggest reasons traders fail. When you control your emotions, you control your trading. One of the strongest highlights is the performance of my pro group members who trade with me daily during the live Zoom sessions on the Nasdaq market. You can see how they are following the same structured approach and improving their results step by step. It's not just about watching, they actively participate, understand the setups, and execute alongside me with discipline. This daily environment builds confidence and helps traders stay focused under pressure. When you surround yourself with the right guidance and consistent execution, your results start to change. If you truly want consistent profit and long-term growth, you must trade with Raja and learn the process the right way. Moreover, you can see real results from my pro group members, including trading profits, payout confirmations, and past account certificates. From October 2025 to March 2026, the journey shows consistent growth, disciplined execution, and strong performance over time. Stay consistent, focus on your mindset, and keep improving every day. Join Trade with Raja to learn trading psychology, control fear, avoid FOMO, and manage greed the right way. Subscribe my channel for more videos and join my pro group members for live Zoom trading. You can WhatsApp me directly at 6475743374. Thank you for your continued trust and support.